guys, welcome to Sweet and Sour. Today I will be making one of the most simple Korean recipes, 김치볶음밥. It's kimchi fried rice. Who doesn't want fried rice with crunchy, savory kimchi in it? Then let's dive into key ingredients for this recipe. First, you're gonna need a half of yellow onion, minced. You can just dice or slice it. If you don't like adding onion in fried rice, you can just skip this part, but I personally love the sweet flavor of cooked onion. Next, you need kimchi. If you love cooking Korean food and you have your own homemade kimchi, that is really good. You can use your kimchi, but I personally like to use store-bought kimchi, especially when I'm cooking kimchi fried rice, because they're already seasoned extra, so it's more salty and sweet compared to the homemade kimchi. I just transfer roughly half of kimchi into another bowl, and I'm just gonna cut them into little pieces using a scissor. You may use knife and cutting board, but it will leave your cutting board with kimchi color and smell. Fried rice using radish kimchi also tastes as good as cabbage kimchi, so you can apply this recipe to other kinds of kimchi as well. Next, prepare cooked rice. This recipe will do for 2 servings of rice. You may want to use Korean rice or sushi rice. I'm going to make tuna kimchi fried rice, so 1 can of tuna. I prefer flakes in olive oil, but you can use chicken flats, spam, or samgyeopsal, the pork belly, instead for your kimchi fried rice. Now put your pan on heat. Add 2 cubes of salted butter. If you have 1 whole steak, you can just cut roughly about 2 big tablespoon amount of it. Add the chopped onion and saute for a minute. Let the onion absorb the butter. See that onion turn transparent and glowy. I love adding butter for kimchi fried rice because it just gives really nice smell and flavor to the onion and kimchi. The kimchi I'm using here is still very fresh, so not much kimchi juice here. You can place the kimchi outside for a day of a half day to make it ferment a little bit more, so your kimchi will taste more sour and as well has more kimchi juice for you to cook. 1 teaspoon of sugar, mix it all together. Put it aside and add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and let it glaze on the pan. It will enhance all the good flavor of soy sauce and cut it nicely to the mixture by frying all together. Add the tuna. I drained the oil, but you need to save a little bit of oil for cooking as well. Now add 1 bowl of cooked rice and mix with the kimchi mixture and see if this is enough for 2 people or not. And I want to make 2.5 servings, so I'm just gonna add some more rice. You better mix rice at low-medium heat, and when everything is combined well, put up to the high heat and fry the rice. I like to glaze the bottom part of the rice for rich flavor. Okay, the rice is ready now. Now I'm gonna cut this Korean seasoned seaweed into little pieces to garnish the rice on top. I love sunny side of egg for kimchi fried rice, so I added 1 egg on top and some sesame seed for decoration. Ta-da! Really simple yet everyone's favorite Korean food, kimchi fried rice is ready to be served.